Did you think AI would only take away programmers' jobs? You'll be surprised to find out who's actually first in line. According to Boston Consulting Group, up to 55% of jobs in developed economies will undergo major transformation due to artificial intelligence over the next 3 years. Simultaneously, 10% to 15% of roles dominated by algorithmic tasks face complete replacement. The World Economic Forum, WEF, in its Future of Jobs report, highlights that automation will displace 92 million traditional jobs by 2030, while creating 170 million new roles. The labor market is reallocating value. Routine execution is depreciating, while the skill to direct algorithms commands a wage premium. Below is a detailed breakdown of 10 professions and technologies set to lose mass market demand by 2028. In 2026, 80% of customer service organizations have integrated AI tools, with 66% deploying autonomous voice and text agents into production workflows. Gartner projects that generative neural networks will displace 20 to 30% of frontline support agents by 2028. Performance benchmarks break down as follows. Hybrid model, AI plus human, 87% issue resolution rate. Autonomous AI agents, 74% resolution rate. Legacy rule-based scripts and chatbots, 61% resolution rate. Mass hiring for handling basic inquiries, order status, password resets, is winding down. By 2028, frontline support headcounts will contract by 3x to 5x, with remaining specialists focusing exclusively on complex, high-empathy edge cases. AI modules embedded into systems like 1C, SAP, and QuickBooks have automated primary document entry, account reconciliations, and standard tax filing generation. Tasks that previously required a full workday for a junior accountant are executed by AI modules in minutes without clerical error. Deloitte, PwC, EY, and KPMG are streamlining entry-level auditing. AI scans thousands of transactions to flag anomalies automatically. By 2028, the primary data entry accountant position will transition into an obsolete category, leaving the market focused on financial strategists, tax consultants, and management accountants. Generating e-commerce product descriptions, basic SEO articles, standard press releases, and template social media posts is fully digitized. Major retailers generate millions of product listings automatically without human writers. Freelance rates for basic copywriting have dropped 2x to 3x. Marketing agencies are adopting a one chief editor plus AI toolkit structure, replacing writing teams of 5 to 10 authors. By 2028, mass market text production will belong entirely to algorithms. Demand will persist only for investigative reporting, deep domain analysis, and original brand storytelling. Neural translation models have achieved near instantaneous accuracy for technical manuals, standard contracts, and business correspondence without losing context. YouTube creators and media conglomerates utilize AI dubbing and voice cloning to expand globally overnight. The freelance translation market for user manuals and generic documentation has shrunk by 80%. Human involvement is reserved for final editorial oversight or top-tier real-time interpretation. By 2028, mid-tier commercial written translation will cease to operate as a standalone career path. AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot have reshaped software team architecture. A single senior engineer equipped with AI tools covers the task volume previously requiring 2 to 3 junior developers. AI writes boilerplate code, builds prototypes, and auto-generates unit tests. Simultaneously, manual QA testing is being displaced by AI systems that autonomously crawl interfaces and identify edge case vulnerabilities. Companies are reducing entry-level hiring, creating a bottleneck for junior roles. By 2028, entering the software engineering industry will require system architecture design and AI agent orchestration rather than basic syntax writing. Data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS, shows line cashier employment dropped from 3.4 million in 2020 to 2.9 million by 2026, while the self-checkout market reached $4.3 billion. Despite localized adjustments in 2024-2025, where retailers like Walmart and Target placed limits on self-checkout lanes to combat shrink, the broader automated trajectory remains intact. Retailers are resolving loss prevention via computer vision checkout kiosks and just walk-out store formats. By 2028, traditional cash registers will become a feature exclusive to luxury retail or boutique small businesses. Manual data transfer across enterprise systems, form filling, and paper archive digitization have been absorbed by robotic process automation, powered by optical character recognition, OCR. Processes that previously required departments of 10 to 20 clerks are executed by software robots 24/7. By 2028, the data entry operator role will be completely phased out from midsize and enterprise organization charts. Standalone GPS receivers, suction cup windshield units from Garmin or TomTom, have been completely displaced by Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and mobile mapping applications with real-time traffic updates. Garmin shifted its core consumer business toward fitness wearables and aviation avionics, while TomTom transitioned to licensing map data to automotive manufacturers. By 2028, portable car navigators will exist solely in niche industrial applications, operating outside cellular coverage. Telecom operators globally are finalizing 2G and 3G network sunsets to reallocate radio spectrum for 5G and 6G infrastructure. Across Europe and East Asia, this phase-out is in its final stages. Concurrently, public switched telephone network, PSTN, copper infrastructure is being decommissioned. Both residential and enterprise sectors have migrated to VoIP and cloud-based communication. By 2028, landline copper phones will be completely obsolete. The Passkeys standard, established by the FIDO Alliance with support from Apple, Google, and Microsoft, is replacing password-based authentication. Login is verified via device-level biometrics, Touch ID, Face ID, and cryptographic key pairs without transmitting text passwords to servers. By 2026, passkeys have been adopted across major platforms, ranging from banking and e-commerce to GitHub and PayPal. Eliminating phishing and credential stuffing risks is accelerating this transition. By 2028, typing alphanumeric passwords will remain only as a legacy fallback mechanism for outdated software. Data from the PwC Global AI Jobs Barometer indicates that professionals who integrate AI tools into their domain expertise command a wage premium of up to 56%. A two-speed economy is emerging. First, high-risk zone. Occupations consisting of repetitive algorithmic tasks, data entry, basic processing, routine drafting. Wages and job openings in this sector are contracting. Second, growth zone. Roles where AI serves as a multiplier. Architecture, strategy, complex negotiations, non-standard problem solving. The primary driver of career resilience heading into 2028 is transitioning from a direct executor of routine operations to an orchestrator and quality manager of automated systems.